Abaddon, also known as Abaddon the Despolier, once named Ezekiel Abaddon, whose preferred title is War Master of the Imperial Nihilus, and is sometimes called by others the War Master of Chaos, is a Chaos Lord and the greatest champion of Chaos undivided in the galaxy. Abaddon is the master of the Black Legion of Chaos Space Marines, and is rumoured to be the clone progeny of the War Master Horus, the greatest traitor in Imperial history, at one time his most favoured son as the first captain of the Sons of Horus Legion. Abaddon is now infamous for leading Black Crusades, the terrible military campaigns during which the normal factions forces of Chaos unite under his leadership and launch a massive attack against the Imperium from within the Eye of Terror. What few realised at the time was that these campaigns were part of an overall strategic plan called the Crimson Path, intended to lead the forces of Chaos from the Eye of Terror all the way to Holy Terror itself, which reached its fruition in the final days of the 41st millennium. Abaddon intends to succeed where his predecessor Horus failed, breaking the Imperial Palace wide open and then taking the Emperor's rotting corpse from the Golden Throne.